With iPadOS 15, we have a lot of ways to customize the iPad. Here is my custom productive iPad setup with widgets and focus mode. I started by changing the wallpaper, so I feel it's like a fresh start. The wallpaper link is in the description down below. This is my home screen before customizing it. There are only the apps I use more often. iPadOS 15 also has an app library, which I love. Let's start customizing the home screen. I added only native iPad widget as I wanted my home screen to look simple and free of distractions. Now, the widgets are restricted to the iPad portrait orientation, which is very useful. There are cool widgets to choose from. Some of my favorites are the quick access files, the calendar, and of course, the Notion widget. The Smart Stack widget is also awesome. With the app library, we can also remove apps from the home screen without deleting them. When you put a widget over another, you create a custom widget stack. I'm so indecisive when trying to customize the home screen, I had to change some widgets. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button to let me know it. One amazing feature of the iPadOS 15 is the focus mode. Now you can define custom focus with custom home screens and settings for each one of them. Let's customize the work focus. You can allow specific people and apps to stay to notifications if you'd like so. After setting up your preferences, your focus is ready. You can also find the focus options in the settings. Now let's set up a custom focus home screen. I only have one home screen, so I have to create another one for the work focus mode. For this, I'm going to put only widgets I use most. After setting up a new home screen, we can define it as the focus mode screen on the settings. And it's done! Now I have a custom screen thoughtfully defined to keep me focused while working with easy access to everything I need to be productive. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this one. Bye bye!